So what is for nearest cell method? So before getting into that, we need to draw a cell. And let's the value of these cell are following. They are in the coordinates x, y, and the value, the size of one each cell is, say it is C. Okay, and the value of these cell are like Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4, Z5, Z6. Okay, Z4. After Z4, so this will be Z0, and then Z5, Z6, Z7, Z8. So you have 8 cells all around in the neighbor. So what you do is that your slope in the x direction is equal to look at this thing. Okay, you are dependent upon this and this one. So this makes for you 4 cell 1, cell 2, cell 3 and cell 4. Okay, so these are your 4 cells. Now let's go for the x direction. So in the x direction we have let me remove this color so that it is easy for you. The x direction, we have the formula Z5 minus Z4 whole divided by 2 times of C. So why 2 times of C? Because each cell size is C, you know here. So you are calculating slope, so the center point will be over here. Okay, so this is half of C, this much is C by 2, this value is C, and this is also the center up to center, the center point up to like this is also C by 2. So you have C by 2 plus C by 2, so the total is 2C. Okay, now the slope in the y direction will be equal to Z2 minus Z7 whole divided by 2C. Okay, and it will be depend upon this one. I'll use another color for this. This is your the slope in the y direction. Okay, what is the total? The total slope, as I told you, before that total slope will be let's say it is the total slope is S. So S will be equal to d by dx of z square plus dz by dy square, and angle of the slope will be a tangent inverse of this S. Okay, so that's how we calculate the slope. What is the plus point of this method? This method is useful in which case it is useful. This 4 nearest cell method give you best smooth terrain. Okay, so in case if you want a best smooth terrain, you use this method.